What's up guys, it's Games He Plays, and in this video is another Funko unboxing. This is going to be a short one, but let's start. So the first Funko Pop that I got is the new Retro Toys one. It's the Ouija Plushette. It's the special edition one as well, because it's got the black stars. And on the back, on the bottom here, see, yeah, it says goodbye. And yeah, this is the character. So you can see right through the thing. It's holding the Ouija board. So on the bottom it's literally like how the thing would be. So it's really cool on that one. Let me just get the next one and put it back in. The next one we got, which was from the Funko store itself, and they always put them in these like cool boxes. So this is the yeah, there's it here. This is the Make-A-Wish BB-8, and this one is the metallic one. There it is, there's a bobblehead as well. But yeah, it's the BB-8. See, it says the Make-A-Wish there, Star Wars. They have to have their Star Wars bases. That's the back as well. They're telling you how much it's like. I don't know if it focus. How much I donated and everything on there. But yeah, so it's another really cool one. There's a bunch of these ones. Then I went to Smith's Toy Superstore, and we managed to pick up the Fiti from Moana, and it's going green packaging, so it's not in the plastic, it's in cardboard instead, which is crazy, and it's also a flocked one, so that's really a crazy one to do. Really heavy character as well. Yeah, so this is the character there. There's so much like flock on it, or the hair, and the whole of the body. It's just the face and the hands that aren't. Yeah, such a crazy one that is. We also picked up this one's another special edition one, because you can only get it in Smith's Toy Superstore, and that figure is Oscar, the mascot from Smith's Toy Superstore. There you go, special edition. There he is on the back as well, and then there's more about the charity that Smith's Toys does. There's not much to this figure, he's just the mascot of Smith's Toy Superstore. Yeah, that's in there. So that's another good find that we got. I managed to get that one. And then the last one, it's a big one, and it's pretty damn cool to have as a pop figure. This one is a Star Wars one. It is the Grogu using the Force. This is a massive box, this one. Like, this is normal figures there. So it's kind of big. It's big more out of the way. But this one's cool for the reason because I take it out. It also has this cool backdrop as well. Actually, it's got the It has the Mascot backdrop in it as well. But the character, as it says, the bobblehead, and it actually has a power, and it's when you press the button it lights up and it makes a sound. That's the first Funko Pop I've heard to make a sound, and it's really cool. So yeah, that is all the figures I have got. I hope to see you guys in another video. So thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and